No office, shop, or shipping room is complete without Arrow's P22 Plier Stapler. It will meet the busy demands of any business without damaging their goods. Made with a chrome steel housing, this tool features an easy load magazine and a staple viewing window. The deep 2.5-inch reach allows this tool to handle all of your needs. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. This plier stapler works with Arrow P22 style staples in both sizes. Perfect for stapling into paper, bags, thin plastics, and cardboard. Ideal for offices, shipping rooms, shop counters, and more. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.